Today we will be going to study class 10 biology chapter How do organisms reproduce. In this chapter we will be going to cover about the types of asexual reproduction. So all of you know, in junior classes you have read about reproduction. So what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process of giving birth to new organisms. So in this we have studied in junior classes that there are two types of reproduction. One is asexual reproduction and other is sexual reproduction. The difference between asexual and sexual reproduction is that in asexual reproduction, single parent is involved, and in sexual reproduction, two parents are involved. Number two, in asexual reproduction, the organisms, they produce their own kinds, and in fission, the organisms divides itself to form a new organism. Fission is basically of two types. Number one is binary fission and number two is multiple fission. Binary fission means bi means two. That means the parent organism is dividing itself into two new daughter cells. And here the parent is losing its identity. Alright, so first these are the steps of the binary fission in which first the nucleus divides, and this process is called as karyokinesis, and then the division of cytoplasm is taking place, and this process is called as the cytokinesis, leading to the development of two new daughter cells. So now the next type of fission is multiple fission. As the name suggests, multiple means many. So here the single parent is giving rise to many daughter cells, and this happens in case of the Plasmodium, which is a malarial parasite. Alright, so the basic difference between the binary fission and multiple fission is that binary fission means two daughter cells are formed, and in multiple fission many daughter cells are formed. So next type of asexual reproduction is budding. As the name suggests, budding, the bud, this is the parent. In the parent body a small bud appears, and this bud remains attached to the body of the parent and develops here. After it is developed fully, it detaches itself from the parent body and grows as a new individual. This is taking place in type of asexual reproduction is spore formation. What are spores? Spores are the small bulb-like structures which are covered by this thick wall which is called as the sporangium. Now under favorable condition, these spores, they germinate and produce the new offspring. Favorable conditions for the germination of these spores are number one, optimum temperature and presence of moisture in the air. Next type of asexual reproduction is regeneration, which takes place in planaria. Here, if an organism is somehow cut or broken into many pieces, then each piece grows into a complete organism. This can take place in planaria also and hydra also. So here for regeneration, certain specialized cells are present in the organism, and this tendency of regeneration is getting lesser as the complexity increases. In lizard we can see that tail has the power of regeneration, and in human beings to certain extent liver can regenerate. But in unicellular organism, they can regenerate very frequently into a whole organism from any cut portion of their body. Next asexual reproduction is fragmentation. This generally happens in algae. Here we have shown Spirogyra. the organism breaks up into smaller pieces, and upon maturation each piece has a tendency to develop into a new organism. Next type of asexual reproduction is vegetative propagation. So what is vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation is the type of asexual reproduction which an organism or a plant, this is especially taking place in case of the plants. So the vegetative parts of the plant such as roots, stems, buds, bulb, rhizome, they are used to grow a new plant. And the advantage of vegetative propagation is that we can grow the plants which do not produce the seeds by this method. Second advantage is that we got the chance for the selection. And third is, by the method of vegetative propagation, the new plants can be grown very rapidly. And fourth is that this is the very cheap method to grow a new plant. So we have discussed in this video about different types of asexual reproduction: binary fission, multiple fission, budding, spore formation, vegetative propagation, regeneration and fragmentation.